Good day, everyone. Today, we will be presenting our analysis of Syarikat Tajau Berseri, focusing on their business model, their relationship with the tech sector, and our proposed improvement to their event planning process using digital technologies. First, let's take a look at an overview of the company's background. Syarikat Tajau Berseri is a Bumiputra Sarakan on consultancy and training provider based in Kuching, Sarawak. They specialize in various areas, including ESG consulting, AI and data analytics consulting, and corporate training and digital upskilling. Their services include IT and data analytic projects, dashboard development using Power BI, feasibility studies, digital marketing training, and professional event planning for corporate workshops and training sections. Their mission is to deliver high-quality IT, management, and educational services while building long-term relationships founded on trust and a deep understanding of client needs. They also aim to empower the local community with digital skills, symbolized by the culturally significant Tajau jar, representing wisdom and accumulation of knowledge. Digital technology plays a central role in their operations, as their consulting services rely heavily on tools such as AI platforms, Power BI, Tableau, automation, and cloud-based systems. Their training programs also emphasize digital literacy, covering tools such as Excel, ChatGPT, Canva, and social media platforms. This indicates that digital technology is deeply embedded in both their strategic offerings and daily operations. Syarikat Tajau Berseri operates within IT consulting and business analytics segment of the tech sector. Although they are not a big tech company, they heavily depend on external digital services, including Microsoft 365 like Power BI, Power Automate, and Excel 365 for analytics and automations, Google Workspace for collaboration and communication, HRD Cloud platform for training, registration, and plans management, and lastly, cloud service like Azure AWS to host dashboard and manage their data securely. They also utilize social media platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn for marketing and outreach purposes. This places them solidly within the digital services ecosystem.
For this project, we are going to be focusing on the event planning service process, which includes managing corporate events, workshops, and client training sessions. This process involves receiving client inquiries, preparing quotations, designing event details, coordinating with suppliers, planning logistics, executing on-site event, and performing post-event follow-up. This process falls under the service category of Syarikat Tajau Berseri's business. This is a core service process that directly supports the company training, consulting, and client engagement activities. This process directly relates to the service division of the company, and it is essential for fulfilling client requirements and ensuring customer satisfaction, aligning with the company's mission to build long-term relationship through quality service. Now, let us take a look at a swim lane model that represents how this company manages its event planning services. The main role involved in this process includes the client, the owner, the staff members, and the suppliers. The process begins with the client requesting an event, which is then taken up by the owner who handles the pitching and prepares quotation and sends it back to the client. The client reviews the quotations, and if they are not satisfied, it is then returned to the owner for further revision. Once the quotation is approved, the owner proceeds with the event designs. And after that, the staff takes over supplier coordination, where they contact suppliers and request the necessary quotations. The suppliers then provide their quotes, and the staff conduct manual follow up, ensuring all required information is received. With everything confirmed, the suppliers execute the event on the scheduled date, and the client attends the event. And once it concludes, the owner prepares a post event report that summarizes the outcome, feedback, and key details. The event planning process relies heavily on several core data entities that ensures the workflow runs smoothly and efficiently. The first key entity is the customer, which includes attributes such as customer ID, name, email, phone number, organization, and specific event requirement. These details help the company understand the client needs and tailor the service accordingly. The second entity is the event, defined by attributes like event ID, types of event, date, venue, budget, theme, and status. This information forms the foundation of planning and coordinating all activities related to the event. Another essential entity is the quotation, which consists of a quotation ID, customer ID, event ID, total cost, list of services included, and validity period. This data ensures clarity in pricing and aligns expectation between the company and the client. The supplier entity is also critical, containing attributes such as supplier ID, name, service type, contact details, and costs, which support suppliers' coordination and cost estimation. Finally, the task entity plays a major role in tracking work progress. This includes task ID, task description, personnel assigned, deadlines, and the current status of each task. Together, these core data entities provide the structure required to manage client interactions, event preparation, vendor coordination, task allocation, and overall execution, ensuring accuracy and reducing operational errors throughout the entire event planning process.
Here's another diagram showing how all users are connected through essential hardware, networks, and cloud services. The owner, client, and staff operate through computers, laptops, and mobile phones to communicate and manage tasks. All devices connect through secure network components such as VPN, wireless Wi-Fi, and access point, which are protected by a central firewall to filter traffic and prevent unauthorized access. Once connected, user access key software tools including Zoom for meeting, Google Workspace for document and emails, and others communication platform used for event coordination. All operational data such as quotations, events details, supplier information, and reports is stored in cloud services like Google Drive, enabling easy access and collaboration. To ensure data security, the system uses two-factor authentication, 2FA, data encryption, and regular backup and recovery mechanism, protecting sensitive information and maintaining business continuity. External technology providers also play an important role in supporting the event planning process. Many companies rely on ERP systems such as SAP or Microsoft Dynamics, as well as cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to manage data storage, automate workflow, and streamline operation. Some organizations also work with outsourced IT consultants to set up, integrate, or maintain this system. Using external providers offers several advantages. It is more cost-effective than maintaining in-house servers, requires lower maintenance, and provides access to global security standards, expert support, and scalable resources, especially during peak event season. However, during organization must still be mindful of potential risks such as data privacy concern, over-reliance on third-party systems, and cybersecurity vulnerabilities. The improved Swinland model introduced several key enhancements that makes the event planning process faster, clearer, and more reliable. In the updated workflow, the process begins digitally with clients submitting event requests online. Before sending any quotation to the client, the system first gathers supplier price to eliminate pricing risk and ensure accurate costing. Automated task creation replaces manual coordination, assigning responsibilities to the owner, staff, and supplier automatically. A real-time dashboard allows all team members to track progress instantly, reducing confusion and miscommunication. Instead of staff manually following up with supplier, the system sends automatic reminders to keep tasks on schedule. After the event, post-event reports are generated digitally, saving time and improving consistency. Overall, this improvement results in a much faster quotation process, reduced from 2 days to just 2 hours, while eliminating missed tasks, ensuring more accurate pricing, increasing customer satisfaction, and significantly reducing stress for the staff.
For implementing improvements to the event planning process, we recommend adopting the Agile development methodology. Agile is highly suitable because the process involves many changes and continuous feedback cycles, allowing the system to evolve based on real input from staff, vendors, and clients. Since every event differs in size, requirements, and complexity, Agile provides the flexibility needed to adjust features as the team learns what works best. It also supports prototype testing with real employees, helping the organization quickly validate ideas before full implementation. By working in short, iterative sprints, The team can detect issues early, reduce risk, and deliver incremental improvements without disrupting daily operations. The collaborative and adaptable approach makes Agile an ideal fit for service-driven environments like event management. By digitalizing and modernizing the event planning workflow, Syarikat Tajau Berseri can achieve significant operational improvements. The updated process reduces administrative work, speeds up quotation preparation, and centralizes all event data, which helps minimize errors and miscommunication. With clearer task ownership and deadlines, coordination becomes more efficient, leading to a better client experience and stronger vendor management. Real-time financial and performance visibility also enables faster decision-making and improved overall control. However, these benefits come with important cybersecurity and privacy considerations. The company must ensure full PDPA compliance when handling client and participant information, apply strong data encryption, and enforce multi-factor authentication across all systems. Secure API integration is also necessary to protect data flowing between platforms, while regular backups and recovery plans help prevent data loss. Additionally, the organization must stay vigilant against phishing attempts and potential cloud-related breaches. Addressing these risks is essential to maintaining trust and ensuring safe, reliable digital operations. In conclusion, Syarikat Tajau Berseri is a digital-driven organization with significant growth potential. By improving their event planning workflow through agile development and secure digital tools, the company can deliver better efficiency, stronger client satisfaction, and safer and more future-ready operations.
That is all for our presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. We really appreciate the opportunity to present our findings and propose improvements for Syarikat Tajau Berseri. We hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into how digital transformation and modern workflow practices can enhance this company's event planning processes.